Hello, hello! Welcome, come on into our newest listing here at 3625 Keating Street, unit number 4. Come on in, this property is amazing, you're gonna love it. 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 786 square feet. We're gonna be priced at $400,000. As you can see, this property has been tastefully remodeled, ceiling fans, air conditioning, luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the entire property, new windows, updated countertops in the kitchen. We have quartz countertops in the kitchen, stainless steel appliances. As you can see, tastefully upgraded, beautiful wide angle view of the microwave. Love that. This property is perfect for that person looking for a property that's just the perfect size for them. Close to the freeway, close to Washington Street trolley station. So you do have an in-unit washer-dryer combo unit right here. Come on into our bathroom. We have marble countertops in the bathrooms, newly renovated shower with our big enclosures, glass doors. This property is assigned 1 parking space dedicated to just you. Let's go on into the master bedroom. Master bedroom is, as you can see, a huge size. This is a king-size bed. Still lots of room in here for your drawers, your desks, anything you need here in the master bedroom. You do have a ceiling fan, crown moldings, LED lightings out there off the top. So again, this property is 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 786 square feet. We're gonna be priced at $400,000, 1 parking space. What else is there? Community pool, super close to Lucha Libre, my favorite Mexican food place. Close to Washington Street trolley. We're priced at $400,000. Property coming soon. Reach out to me if you want a private showing, and we'll see you soon.